Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to convert pounds to kilograms and kilograms to pounds directly within Excel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future tech tips and tricks. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a like. Okay, so whether you're dealing with international shipping, recipe conversions, or just curious about your own weight, knowing how to easily convert between pounds and kilograms is super useful. In this video, I'll show you two simple methods, using basic formulas and using the convert function, which is arguably even easier. We'll cover both, so you can choose the one that works best for you. Let's get started. Screen shows an Excel sheet with a column labeled pounds and another labeled kilograms. Alright, let's start with the basic formulas. This is great because it shows you exactly what's happening behind the scenes. Screen focuses on the first cell in the pounds column, for example A2. Let's say you have a weight in pounds in cell A2. To convert that to kilograms, we use the formula, equals A2/2.2046. Screen shows cell B2 being edited with a formula equals A2/2.2046. 2046 is the conversion factor. Just type that formula into the corresponding cell in the kilograms column, in this case, B2, and press enter. Boom! You have your weight in kilograms. Screen shows the calculated kilogram value in B2. Now to convert kilograms to pounds, we do the opposite. Let's say you have a weight in kilograms in cell C2. To convert that to pounds, the formula is equals C2*2.2046. Screen shows cell D2 being edited with a formula equals C2*2.2046. Type that into the corresponding cell in the pounds column, let's say D2, and press enter. And there you have it, your weight converted back into pounds. Screen shows the calculated pound value in D2. You can then click and drag the bottom right corner of these cells to apply the formula to the rest of the column, quickly converting multiple weights. Screen demonstrates clicking and dragging the formula down the column. Okay, now let's look at the even simpler method, the convert function. This function is built into Excel and makes things incredibly straightforward. Screen highlights an empty column labeled kilograms, convert function. Let's say we still have the weight in pounds in cell A2, and we want to convert it to kilograms in a new column, let's say column E. In cell E2, we'll type equals convert A2 lbm kg. Screen shows cell E2 being edited with a formula equals convert A2 lbm kg. Let's break this down. A2 is the cell containing the value we want to convert. lbm is the abbreviation for pounds mass, and kg is, of course, the abbreviation for kilograms. Make sure to put those abbreviations in quotes. Press enter. Screen shows the calculated kilogram value in E2. Done. Excel automatically does the conversion for you. Converting from kilograms to pounds using the convert function is just as easy. Let's put the converted values from column E back to pounds in column F. In F2 we type equals convert E2 kg lbm. Screen shows cell F2 being edited with a formula equals convert E2 kg lbm. Again, E2 is the cell containing the kilogram value, kg is for kilograms, and lbm is for pounds mass. Hit enter. Screen shows the calculated pound value in F2. And just like before, you can click and drag these formulas down to quickly convert multiple weights. Screen demonstrates clicking and dragging the convert formula down the column. So there you have it. Two easy methods for converting pounds to kilograms and kilograms to pounds in Excel. Whether you prefer the basic formulas or the convert function, you now have the tools to handle these conversions like a pro. Which method do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks from Rome Tech. We'll see you in the next video.